President, please be seated. The court is now in session. Today, the chamber will continue hearing the witness Pan Hum to the conclusion. After the conclusion of the testimony, the chamber will hear oral submissions in relation to 2 TCE 93. Ms. Saigorwati, please report the attendance of the parties and other individuals to today's proceedings. Mr. President, for today's proceedings, all parties to this case are present, except Mr. Kung Som-on, the National Counsel for Mr. Kyosompon, is absent because of personal reasons. Mr. Nguyen Chie is present in the holding cell downstairs. He has waived his right to be present in the courtroom. The waiver has been delivered to the greffier. The witness who is here today to testify is Pan Hum. She is already here in the courtroom, and today there is no reserve witness, Mr. President. Thank you, Ms. Saigorwati. The chamber now decides on the request by Nguyen Chie. The chamber has received a waiver from Nguyen Chie dated 1st September 2016, which states that due to his health, headache, back pain, he cannot sit or concentrate for long, and in order to effectively participate in future hearings, he requests to waive his right to be present at the 1st September 2016 hearing. His counsel has advised him about the consequence of his waiver, that in no way it can be construed as a waiver of his rights to be tried fairly or to challenge evidence presented to or admitted by this court at any time during the trial. Having seen the medical report of Nguyen Chie by the duty doctor for the accused at the ECCC, dated 1st September 2016, which notes that Nguyen Chie has a chronic back pain, and it's become even more painful when he sits for long, and recommends that the chamber shall grant him his request so that he can follow the proceedings remotely from the holding cell downstairs. Based on the above information and pursuant to Rule 81.5 of the ECCC internal rules, the chamber grants Nguyen Chie his request to follow today's proceedings remotely from the holding cells downstairs via an audio-visual means. AV unit personnel are instructed to link the proceedings to the room downstairs so that Nguyen Chie can follow. That applies for the whole day. Judge Lavenge, you may now proceed.
Oui, merci, Monsieur le Président.
Yes, thank you, Mr. President. Good morning, Madam Witness, and good morning to all parties. Madam Witness,